Good morning, guys. Okay, so the owner of this hostel is driving us to the station at 9:30. It's now 9:20, so we're waiting in these hammocks. Ailey's alarm didn't go off, so we woke up at 8:50 when we were supposed to wake up at 7:45. So now we're gonna go take the train to Florence. I'm moving, this scares me. Wow. I couldn't see it. We got iced coffee and blueberry muffins. And we're in Florence. Or Florence. I never know how to pronounce it. In Dutch we say Florence and Ailey says Florence. So I say both. We were in that coffee shop for honestly way too long. For literally like an hour, and now we're walking in Florence.
Hi everybody.
Welcome to my crib.
We are out here in Florence, just chilling by the water. The water doesn't look very nice, but I might go for a dip later if you're up for it. I've really nailed my accent.
So, anche contenne indelebili o altro indelebile de interesse del.
Just pretend you were Italian. Look at all the jewelry we cannot afford.
My card works.
Yeah, they keep declining my card, but it's not because I don't have money, it's just because of my card. Dinner's on Milou. Treating you with some McDonald's. We're in Melville. We can't afford anything, so it's really painful. She kicked me out of Melville. This is just nonsense. I just want Melville. I wanted a cheeseburger Happy Meal, but they didn't have cheeseburger. So I got a hamburger Happy Meal, but then they were like, you have to wait for the hamburger. I can give you a cheeseburger. And I was like, yeah. And now Ailey is mad because she also wanted a cheeseburger. We just spent way too long in McDonald's. And now we are back at the cathedral. Is that how you pronounce it? Cathedral. I don't know. We just took loads of photos. Yay!
Punch it.
You know.
Have it.
It's raining! It's raining! Yay! I swear, in the Netherlands, I hate rain, but here it's just so refreshing because it's so hot. We got some souvenirs, and yeah, that's basically all we did. We just walked around Florence a little bit. She's recording the fruit again. Again, every time I lose her, I'm like, wait, where did she go? And then she's just filming fruit. Oh, it's actually raining. This is so nice. This is so. You sound like a weirdo in my vlogs. I mean, she is, but we're just chilling here once again. Because it's just been like there's like no sun. Well, at some places there is, but there's like barely any sun today. But it's still 37 degrees. So it's like really hot. But at least there's no sun like shining on you, because that's just terrible. I'm not used to this kind of weather. But what time is it? And you gotta watch. Yeah, let me just put my phone away. It is 4 p.m. and our train to Milan is at 6 p.m. So we're probably just gonna go to like a cafe soon to get like a drink, and then head to the train station to go to Milan. Allora, io frequento. We are almost Italian. We got smoothies. Ailey has a tonic smoothie, which is strawberry, raspberry, blueberry. blackberry, I don't know. And I got this one, and it is mango, passion fruit, and pineapple. Oh, that's so good. This whole trip is just ridiculous. We're on the train to Milan, which is cool. I've never been to Milan. I've actually never been to any of these cities except for Paris. We arrive in Milan in an hour and 40 minutes, something like that. I'm not really sure. Playing a game where we guess what song the other person is singing, and it's not going very well because Ailey just forgets all Shawn Mendes' Okay, go. We just got over it right. It's like, what? Come on! What's the song called? Get it low. I'm way better at this. Got the color. That wasn't an easy one. Ailey doesn't even know the words. She's such a big fan. I exposed her.
You never sang it live, so it's cool. Oh, wait, they did. I bet could have.
He never sang it live. Running low. Memories. He actually did sing that live once, I think.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
And walk away.
And walk away.
This is really testing her. Are you really Shawn? Why are you going to Toronto for Shawn Mendes when you don't know a single song?
I know the lyrics. She's trying to like line them up with the name of the song. Particular taste. I learned the set list and that's it.
It was on the set list. She does not know the lyrics. We're on the side.
What?
This is useless. Maybe you're not interested. I see the way you're looking. Wait, what? I've been giving you so many hints.
What is it?
The way you put yourself above me.
I know.
Fix That's it for this game because I cannot do this anymore. Bye! Comment down below. I'm just crying from laughing. Okay, comment down below how you think you pronounce this town. Comment down below how you think you pronounce it because clearly I'm not doing it wrong. I'm not doing it right.
Alright, confident.
Well, guys,
It's like 12:40.
the train is delayed a lot. We were supposed to get in at 7:40, and now it's now it's 8:15, and it says it's like an hour, so another half an hour. This is so great. Go Interrailing, guys. Hi guys, the 60-minute delay is currently a 90-minute delay, so instead of 7:40 we're now hopefully getting in at 9:10. This is just like, I know we've been saying this is nonsense all the time, but this is actual nonsense. We made it!
We made it.
Took us 3 hours to get here. We had an hour and 40-minute delay, but we are in Milan. Yay! The Milan train station is literally so pretty and so fancy, which we are not, so. Oh my god! Let's find our hostel! Hi guys, we just made it to our hostel in Milan. It is like 10 p.m. because we were so delayed, but we just made it. That's my bed, and that's Ailey, her bed, and there's 3 other people, but they're probably like downstairs. Now we're just gonna unpack a little, take a shower, and probably head to bed, honestly, because we are leaving really early tomorrow. I can see you in the mirror, that's funny. Anyway, we are leaving really early tomorrow to go to Verona, so yeah. I should make that my bio on Instagram. That is just nonsense. I'm probably not gonna film anymore in this hostel because there's people and I don't really want to like invade their privacy, so good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning from Milan. We just had a really challenging morning to not wake up any of the people in our hostel because everyone was asleep. Crap. Because it's currently, I think it's 8 a.m. and we're at the central station because our hostel is literally right next to central station. To go get a train to Verona, and I'm so excited to see the letters to Juliet Wall. It's probably gonna be disappointing though, because she said it was disappointing. Oh, I forgot my sunglasses. We ain't going back. No, I'm not going back. We have to get a ticket for the train and some breakfast, and then we're just gonna go to Verona, and we're gonna meet up with Federico, which is cool because he's nice. So yeah, let's see. What is it?
It's you need just try it. There's no waitress in it really, but
Hi guys!
hello. Buongiorno.
You never say hi! That's so annoying. Anyway, we made it to Verona. Oh wait, I'm not in focus. We made it to Verona. We have a tour guide.
Hello.
So that's honestly great because we don't know anything. And Verona's very pretty. We had really good iced coffee. I'm still not in focus. This is just nonsense. This is nonsense. Where are we going now?
We're going to like a hill where you can see the whole city.
Oh, we're going to a hill where you can see the whole city. So that is great. And later we're going to the Letters to Juliet Wall, which is like my dream.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's part of life.
I'm so excited. What did you say?
I was like, I don't understand. Wait, where did I live?
Taking photos. That's what she always does.
Is it a vlog?
Yeah.
Hello.
Follow
Subscribe
me.
to Milou. Is Milou your name on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, Milou.
You pronounce it so cute. Oh my god. He pronounces my name so cute.
I just say Milou. What am I supposed to say?
Milo.
Milo.
Milo. Shut up.
Hello. It's like 1,000 degrees and my dad is like going up to the viewpoint thing and Ellen is doing something. So yeah, like we're out here and we just picked up a random person. Yeah, we're out here.
Yeah, we don't know this person.
No, but she was tired and apparently we had to bring her up. So yeah, and now we're leaving her there. And yeah, my dad is screaming in Italian. And I'm sunburned. Buona giornata.
We're at a big hill, and what was it called?
Torricelle.
What he said?
But it's less warm than the city.
Yeah, it's not that warm here. We're walking here. It's very pretty.
Stanley. Hello. We're out here. It's 1,000,000 degrees. And what about it? It's 1,000,000 degrees.
It's very warm.
Guess you could say it is pretty.
I guess you could say this is
If it
pretty.
wasn't that warm. Are you filming as well?
Yeah.
I feel filmed. Is this VidCon?
I really want to go to FitCon next year. We are almost at the Romeo and Juliet. I'm so excited. It's probably gonna disappoint a lot. But I just
Smaller than you.
yeah, it's probably way smaller than I expected. I don't actually know how I managed to get paid. Oh my god. Guys. We are currently in the train back to Milan. It was kind of stressful because we didn't know if we would make it. It's 3 p.m. and we said bye to Federico, and now we're gonna have a fun night in Milan. We just made it back to Milan, and well, actually like almost an hour ago, but I couldn't vlog in our hostel room because there were 2 people sleeping, so that would have been really nice. Okay, we have a cool story time to tell because we were on the train, and then next to us there was this woman, and then behind that woman there was this man who has been sitting there for like half an hour probably, and he was like looking at like us and stuff, but we didn't really think of much of it. And then this man comes in and he like walks, and then like right next to Ailey and right next to the woman, he like drops his keys. But it was like, yeah. It was so obvious. So we were like, so we like grabbed all of our stuff and we were just like sitting there, and then like the man who was sitting like behind the woman gets up and tries to grab the woman her bag, and the woman like turned around and she pulls her bag, and it was just really cool to see from up close because like he didn't, well, not cool, but like he didn't actually steal it because the woman like pulled it back, and then they like walked away really quick. But it was so like weird because it was so close to us. She was like the man was literally standing right next to you. That was weird. So now we're in Milano and we're gonna go have dinner and walk around and do that stuff. Yeah, we really want to eat pasta. Forget it, you regret it. Oh, I'm so gonna put that in here. We've been in Milan for about an hour and everything looks so fancy. This is way above my budget. Way above it. Prada. I don't have this kind of money. Well, sometimes I do, but then I spend it all on Shawn Mendes. This building is very impressive actually. We are at the like Duomo, if I pronounce it. It's right there. Very cool. We just had pasta in this restaurant, and it was. Where you have pasta? Anyway, we literally got in, and it was like 5 minutes, and then they played Señorita, which is fine because that song's like famous now. But then we were sitting there, and like 10 minutes later, they played the Lost in Japan remix, and we were just like. Sean's so famous, it's so weird. Guys, my blisters hurt so much I can literally barely walk. Like I walk like this.
Buongiorno.
We just took the underground back to the central station. Now we're going back to our hostel to get some sleep. So subscribe to my channel for more vlogs. Watch my recent vlogs and get some and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Bye!